If you want to find archived messages on a Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you can go to the Google Messages app, and in here, if you accidentally archive a conversation, you still have a couple of seconds to undo this action. So the next time you do that, if you accidentally archive something, you can just use the undo button and you will get the archived message back into the main menu. But in case you cannot really do so anymore, and if you want to still find your archived messages, then you can tap on your Google account here in the upper right corner. Now over here, we should be able to simply go to the archived menu here, and there we go. Now we have our archived messages. You can, for example, open them if you want to. You should be able to, for example, tap on these three dots to unarchive the conversation, or you can press and hold your finger in order to select it, and then here we have this box with an arrow, this icon over here, which allows you to unarchive a conversation again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.